In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to properly resend your email campaigns to subscribers who did not open the original one. So let's get started. The purpose of resending your email to people who did not open it in the first place is to boost audience engagement, especially when it comes to important information like an upcoming event or something that they've subscribed to and they need to get certain information. Resending an email does work, but there are some caveats. A, you might get unsubscribes because people did get the email, they just didn't open it, and then you're going to send another email on top of that, and they're like, hey, wait a minute, I don't want to receive that. Why am I getting two? Let me just unsubscribe, because they think they're on a duplicate list. Two, they might even send you a spam complaint. Hey, why are you spamming me with the same email twice? Don't like it, unsubscribe, and spam. Now, is it good practice? Yes. But sometimes it backfires. To get started, we'll need to go into your campaigns. So I'm in all campaigns, and I just sent out this email and it's been opened by 2 of my 4 people on my test list. So I want to resend this email to the 2 people who did not open it, right? That's the plan. So what I do have to do here in the Mailchimp way and the desktop way, it's different in the app that they have, but you'd have to go into this drop-down area here where it says View Report and click on Replicate. After the email is replicated, you do not want to send it again to the 4 recipients. You only want to send it to the people who did not open the email. So we have to click on Edit Recipients, and where it says Send To, we want to change that to a new segment. So we'll click on plus new segment, and Mailchimp has recently redesigned the segmentation process. And so what used to be campaign activity is now called email interaction. So we're going to click on add a filter, and we want to go down here to email interaction. And our first option, we want to make sure that they were sent the email. So we want to say was sent, and then select the email from the drop-down list, and that is the Better Biz email. And then we want to add another filter, and again we'll click email interaction, and then we're going to click on did not open, and again we'll select Better Biz email. So the process is check to make sure that they were sent that email and they did not open that email. Make sense? Then we'll go click on Review Segment, and we should have 2 people that match the bill. And there you go. There are the 2 people. They'll even give you their email addresses, and that matches what I have. So I'm going to click on Apply Segment. So now we have our new custom segment specifically just to resend this email. And once you're happy with our send tos and the merge tag here, we'll click on Save, and it will update. So we got our 2 recipients in there. And then I would also suggest that you change the subject line. Maybe we'll add in a ICYMI. So it says that in case you missed it, and maybe we'll just take off the 10%. We'll just say save on the preview text and click save when we're happy with that. And you can edit the design if you'd want. You can automatically share it out as a social post and also update your tracking and settings. At this point, all that's left to do is to click send. If you have any questions about this process or Mailchimp in general, post them in the comments below. I'll do my best to answer them. And if you're interested in learning more about Mailchimp, check out a couple of these videos right here. Thanks as always for watching. I appreciate it. Take care, and I'll see you in the next video.